Good morning, everyone. Thanks for tuning in this morning. This is Mark, the ministry dude, with a 5 minute ministry. 5 minute affirmation today. We're going to talk a little bit about Genesis, the book of Genesis, a little more. I think maybe I'll do another day or so of it, maybe another week of it, because it's very important from the start of creation. So let's get started with it. Don't forget to get your heart checked and check out the comments by the video. I'm going to leave a link to our website. I started working on our new website yesterday, 5 minute wellness. So I'm going to start linking my sermons and my wellness videos to that. So everything's kind of like in one place. Alrighty. Well, let's get started here, shall we? 5 minute affirmation from the book of Genesis. I have I have AI write this stuff here, and then I go through it and I make sure everything looks good because it's pretty good, and AI does a really good job of it. It finds stuff that I don't even find, and it puts it in a format that makes things sound really good. So here we go. I am created in the image of God, just as it is written in Genesis. I affirm today that I am wonderfully, and uniquely made, carrying divine purpose and value. Just as God saw all that He made and called it good, I recognize the goodness within myself and within this day. I embrace new beginnings, for in the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. I trust in the process of creation within my own life. Each morning is a fresh start, and today I choose growth. We should all do that every day. Choose growth every day, choose to be a better person. Stretch out a little bit, drink some water in the morning, coffee, hydrate your body, get it moving. Like the earth, I am called to be fruitful and multiply in kindness, love, and wisdom. I sow seeds of faith and hope in my thoughts and actions, confident they will bear good fruit. We all want you to be healthy, wealthy, and wise. Wisdom is something that you have to study and learn. It doesn't usually come by itself. Love and wisdom. Kindness, love, and wisdom. We need to multiply in that. As God rested on the seventh day, I remind myself that rest and renewal are sacred and necessary. I give myself permission to pause, breathe, and recharge, knowing that balance is divine. He rested on the seventh day. See, that's what a lot of us need to do. Take that day to rest, the Sunday, the day of rest. I know there's people out there that just, they just attack you online, and no matter what you do, because they think they know better than you. But just stick to your guns, because not everybody's going to agree with you. There's a lot of narcissistic people out there that think that it's their way or the highway. You know what I mean? And I'm sure you're running into people like that all the time. Those are the kind of people that you just got to close the door on, get them out of your life, because they're just negative and they're just going to bring you down. I know this from experience. They tell you how wrong you are. You shouldn't do that. Oh, don't do that because you'll never make any money doing that. Or it's just you just got to keep toxic people out of your life. I am not alone. I am part of a greater creation. I am connected to others just as Adam was joined with Eve, and together we walk in companionship, understanding, and unity. When challenges arise, I remember even in darkness, God spoke, "Let there be light." I invite light into my life today, overcoming any fears or doubts with courage and faith. We all have trials and tribulations in our life. That's just part of life. Trials and tribulations are going to come and they're going to go. God has you. God's got this. I step forward in this day with gratitude for all the blessings, seen and unseen, knowing I am loved, guided, and empowered to create good things, just as God intended from the beginning. Amen. Thanks for tuning in today, everyone. I hope this helps kind of kickstart your day. I know it does for me. I just love doing this, just, saying these daily affirmations. Tomorrow, I'm going to have another short little affirmation. Sunday, I'm going to have a 5-minute sermon. Starting every Sunday, I'm going to have that. Last year, I did through the Bible. We went through the Bible for 1 year. This year, it's going to be a daily affirmation and a Sunday sermon. 5 minutes. That's all it takes. 5 minutes to get God and Jesus into your life, into your heart. Get your blood pumping. Thanks for tuning in. We really appreciate you being here. Don't forget to get your heart checked. And don't forget to check out the comments by the video for a link to our website. Thank you and have a blessed day, and we'll see you again tomorrow.